90% of people got this wrong, but can you solve it? Alright, so the most common mistake is that people add these two numbers under the square root together, from which they get 50 plus 8 under the square root, and then they give themselves the square root of 58, and they got answer A, which is fundamentally wrong, because that's against the rules of calculating radicals. The basic rule for adding radicals together is to unpack it, try to find out common factors. If you have common factors, then you can add them up. Now, let's take a look at the first part, square root of 50. We can basically consider square root of 50 as 25 times 2, right? And 25 can be considered as 5 squared. So 5 squared times 2. And then likewise, for 8, we can consider it as 4 times 2, and 4 can be considered as 2 squared. So 2 squared times 2. Alrighty, so now the rule is when you have a number of the second power under the square root, then the square root and the second power are cancelled. So basically, you can take this number safely out. So the first number becomes 5 times square root of 2. The second 2 stays in. And likewise, for the second square root, we can take the 2 out safely, and the second 2 stays in. This 2 stays in. Alright, now for this one, you can basically consider it as 5 apples plus 2 apples, right? You have 7 apples together. 7 times square root of 2. Now, you want to put 7 back under the square root. So basically, you have to raise 7 to the second power. 7 to the second power and put it in times 2. 7 to the second power is 49. 49 times 2, that's 98. Now the answer is D. If you enjoyed today's problem, please like, follow, and leave your comments. I'll see you guys next time.